Incredible value, 2 high-performance headlamps included, includes 6 AAA Energizer Max batteries, so you have the power you need, right out of the box. Maximum durability, features a durable construction that withstands 1 meter drop test, a shatterproof lens, and a water-resistant IPX4 rated body, making this headlight the perfect rugged companion both indoors and outdoors. 7 versatile modes, provide 7 light modes, red, high, low, spot low, wide high, and wide low. Convenient smart dimming technology controls light intensity. With versatile modes, you'll have optimal lighting for just about any situation. Long run time, long lasting and effective with up to 35 hours of LED light in low mode. So you have the reliable power and light you need. The perfect backup light in case of power outages. Energizer power. This LED headlamp runs on 3 Energizer Max AAA batteries included, so you have the power and visibility you need, right out of the box. Ready to go hiking, running, camping, hunting, and so much more. Buy with confidence, trust in the Energizer brand for reliable power and performance in any situation. Super bright LED, illuminates up to 80 meters with a 260 lumen beam of LED light in high mode. This headlamp can light up the room, or the campsite, with ease. Top reviews from the United States. I was very impressed. I bought these lights mainly for home projects when my hands are busy holding tools or parts, so the headband LED light provides sufficient light where I need it. It has enough brightness that I usually dim it down to extend battery life. As previous reviews have stated, the included directions were not specific enough about the modes, so if you look at the Amazon Q&A that starts, I'm curious how to access all 7 modes, the Energizer answer is apparently for a different model, but below that, see. Van Doren correctly lists the functions, modes, for this Pro model. These headband units also tilt down. Some of their models don't. I also spent extensive time looking for items either made in the USA or good allies or neighbors but not made in aggressive nations, such as the one that starts with CHI and ends with NA. According to one Q&A search for country of origin, one answer claimed these Energizer Headband Pros are made in USA and Canada. However, I read further on the box and saw it made in China. It's manufactured for Energizer, Street. Louis, Missouri and Mississauga, Ontario. To me, as an American, USA, I am concerned if our money goes to a country that does not have our best interests at heart. I would like to say that stronger but, it might be removed, so we'll leave it there. I still like the design and modes of the light. I've not used it outdoors yet, but the modes seem quite flexible with spot, flood, dimming, etc. I tried the red LED mode in a dark room and they appeared bright, although I have no way of measuring lumens. This item includes 2 complete headband units and Energizer batteries. You do have to place the straps into the clips and insert the batteries, but they're fairly logical.